Hello everybody, this is Dinkar Bharti and today I want to show you one very beautiful and useful craft, and the name of the craft is fridge magnet. For this craft activity you need some wooden cut, the three pieces of wooden cut, and this wooden cut is easily available on your school stationery, so you can get it from there. And with this you also need acrylic color, one flat brush, one pencil. Before this activity we will place a waste newspaper on the table, and after this we will apply white paint on the surface of our craft, and we have to apply only one side, as well as we have to paint side also. So after base coating we will leave this craft for 1 hour. So after 1 hour it will be dry and we can work on this. So first at all we will draw the sketch or diagram of the frog. So this is the eyes of the frog. It's very light. For this activity you have to draw a very light pattern. Like this. Two small circle for the eyeball, and then two straight line, join, and you will join this line like this, and then very beautiful smiling face here. You have to draw like a circle, and again a small circle, like this, okay. Two smiley face here, like two smileys, like a shape of chicks we can say, and two dot, right? Then two circle here. Now we have to work on this. So ये जो है ये पार्ट यहाँ पे प्लेस होगा, राइट? सो इससे नीचे नीचे पे आपको वर्क करना है. You have to work only on this part below the head part. So for this again we will draw the two vertical line, and then we will join these vertical line like this. So we have to create a C here, sorry, U, a shape of U, right? And then a straight line, a little bit of diagonal line, round, we can say a V shape of frog. Then the leg part, okay, and two finger, right? And after this drawing we will paint lemon yellow color on the forehead of this drawing. For this activity we don't need any water, okay, so please don't add water. For chicks again we will apply the same yellow part, yellow paint here, like this. For lip we will use red color, on the center of this part again we will apply the second coat of white for the finishing. And in last we will apply shape green color on the rest surface area. This is the first coating. We have to apply the same green color on side also. Now it's time for second coating. So again we will apply the second coat for the finishing purpose. With the help of second coat you will get a very smooth surface on this craft. In the second coat you have to use the vertical direction, only vertical direction. White color on eyes, second coating. Now after second coating again we have to leave for 1 hour. And now time for the black outline. So now the face detailing is complete and we will join this part like this. Now we will join this fabric clip with the help of glue gun. If you are not having glue gun you can use Fevikwik also. So after all the process, you will paste a magnet here, back side of magnet. Right now I don't have magnet, so I am working with a double-sided tape. And we can place on fridge, and we can use this fridge magnet like this. हमारे डेली रूटीन का जो भी दूध का हिसाब होता है या और कोई भी डेली रूटीन की जो भी छोटे छोटे से पेपर्स हैं, we can place all these papers like this.